Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a studio portrait picture on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here at the bottom, we want to switch over to portrait, so swipe across until you see it's a portrait. Next, tap on the effect button. Then swipe across until you see it's a studio. And from here, you can also change the color contrast. So tap on this button right here. And here we can increase or decrease the color contrast. Once you are happy, you can also go down here and change the effect strength. So dragging it to the left, all the way to the left. Then we have 0 effect strength. And dragging it all the way to the right at number 7, that is the maximum effect strength. And from here we can then tap on the shutter button to capture the picture. And that's it. That is how you can capture a portrait picture. So we can do it again. So this time I'm going to move back a little bit and then tap on capture, so studio, and tap on capture. So here it is. So you can see the pictures. That is a studio portrait picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.